If you have DJI Mic Mini, then do you know that you can use it without this tracker? If you want to buy this tracker, you need to spend extra money, but you can buy only this tiny machine and you can use it with your MacBook and Windows PC without having any tracker, and you can use it as a professional microphone for your YouTube videos, podcast, or whatever you are doing. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, press and hold this button to power it on. Now, on your macOS or Windows PC, you need to do some settings. Go to the setting area of your MacBook. Go to Bluetooth. Now you see this pairing button here. This is on your microphone. You just need to press and hold this button for a while. The light is blinking and now you see this one appears here as DJI Mic Mini, and this is the model number here. Simply go to this option and connect this one here. Now our DJI is connected. You can see the light is not blinking anymore, so you can see that it is connected here. What you need to do, go to sound, and now input and output. You will see these two options here. For the input, you can choose this DJI as it is connected, and for the output, you can choose any speakers. For example, I have 𝒂𝒐𝒏𝒏𝒆𝒄𝒊𝒂𝒍, so you're good to go. Now you can open any screen recorder. I use multiple screen recorders and Focusy is one of them. It's the best one. All the screen recorders are in the description. You can go and check around. After opening any of the screen recorders, you just go to the microphone setting and you will see DJI Mic Mini and the model number. You can choose this one and see whenever I'm talking, this DJI is here and it is connected via Bluetooth. And you can also see the gain here. Whenever I'm talking, you can see here. Now, it's easy to record. Just go to record screen, press on record. And now I'm gonna stop the recording here. You see, now my window is being recorded. My webcam is here. And the sound you're hearing right now has been recorded with DJI Mic Mini, and you can do so by connecting this DJI via Bluetooth, and you can also use AirPods as a microphone. So that's it for today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.